Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can type in Illustrator. You're just going to grab this text tool and you can just select anywhere, and it's going to add this like lorem ipsum text, and then you can just change it by pressing hello. You can also select the text button and create like a square, but it's going to add more stuff here. Here is where you can change the sort of font, the size, the leading, I don't know how you can pronounce that, the kerning, and like the tracking. You can also adjust a paragraph here, create outlines, etc., etc. You can also type on like a path. So if I grab this pen tool and I just did like this random wave like that maybe, and then I went to the type on a path tool and just selected this part here, I can type on a sort of path like so. And to change the color, I'm just going to go here to change the color of the text. I'm just going to also select create outlines. And I'm just going to copy and paste this a few times. Control C, Shift Control V, duplicate that. So press Control D again to make lots of copies of it. Oops. Control C, Shift Control V, Control D. And that is pretty much how you can sort of type on Illustrator. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.